Do a little story on this gentleman here. This is what a true loyal customer look like. Not only does he travel from San Francisco, but I think this is car number 3 or 4, and he's referred his co-workers. So we truly appreciate your repeat business. Now, of course, he only goes with the absolute best new car double protection package with a lifetime ceramic coating. Let's check it out. Check it out.
Man.
I know, right?
Oh, it's like your car looking good, you know?
Yes.
It's so easy.
He already knows, because like he says, this is car number 3 or 4, so he knows how easy everything is going to be to keep clean. Paint protection film on the high impact areas, hood, front bumper, side fenders. The reason why he travels all the way from San Francisco, because he knows only a handful of us that really wants to make sure that our installations are done correctly.
About the way it feels.
Lifetime ceramic coating, doors on back, you guys. A wax will never touch this baby. It's going to be super easy to clean. Great UV protection. I like that he takes his time. He does his inspection. This is what we do at DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. We allow our customers to take their time, do their inspection.
Like the seats though, on this.
Yes. Inside he went with the leather protection as well for all the seats.
Oh, another. It's happening again. It's I know it's gonna always look like this with the other 2 cars we've had. All I gotta do is rinse them off and keep them clean. It's just, they shine up just like this every day when we wash them. I keep getting compliments on the cars that we've done thus far, and everybody said, "How are you doing it?" And I told them, keep telling them about DoubleTake. So, I mean, truly, it's a testament to what you guys do here and the product that's been used on these cars. That it's gonna always look like this, and I know that to be true.
Thank you so much. We appreciate you.